There are many ways to grip the tipper. Try to remember this really old photograph that we see right now, how the fingers are all wrapped around the stick, equal parts of the stick above and below the hand. It's quite an old picture. As we move along, you'll notice here we have mostly the index finger and thumb, other fingers behind the tipper. Here we find the same grip again, used by another prominent player. As we move along, here we have similar, but the fingers really pointing down on the tipper. Just a little variation of the same thing. Here's another one. The fingers are really in behind the tipper, except for the thumb straight up in the air. Here we have more of an index finger and thumb grip by itself. No other fingers involved. Here's a better look at a different player with same type of grip, mostly index finger and thumb. Here we have the middle finger in behind the tipper. This is very unique, but also used by many players. Here's another look at it with a different player. You see the middle finger is in behind the tipper. Here's another view. This one's very evident of the middle finger in behind the tipper. Here we have sort of the snare drum grip. Notice where the tipper is near the knuckle. Here's the same grip, but the tipper is way back in at the base of the thumb. Here we go again. Here we have all the fingers wrapped around the tipper ready for use. Another view of the other fingers around the tipper ready for use. Again, this one is the fingers are there ready for use, but notice how far out towards the tips this person holds the tipper. Here we are in further towards the knuckle. Fingers available. Here we are again, very similar actually with this particular grip.